Yo, introduction to Love and Life.
Yes,
I'm here for the first time, so you do your little intro.
Hey guys, my name's Love and Life, and welcome to another video. And I'm gonna show this guy right here, Miz.
I've known him from like sixth form. Call me Mizan, part of the Kilamanjaro Podcast with CJ. You probably do a video with him soon, innit?
Yeah, I'll put a link to that in the description below.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show him how to do the jerk, and I've done one of these tutorials. Hit up one of the videos, you'll see it.
How many views did it get? Most views on it, right?
Nah, it's not the most views.
Okay,
it almost up to 1K. Almost up to 1K. Okay, so start with 1 foot forward and 1 foot backwards.
Yeah.
The front foot has to be above the ground.
Okay.
And the back foot will be on the ground. And what you're doing now is you're going to switch the foot where the one above the ground is still going to be above the ground and it's going to be facing backwards, like that.
Yeah.
And when you're doing that, this foot is just coming forward.
Yeah. So you basically
you're
kicking forward, but you're planting your foot down.
You're not kicking forward. You're kicking backwards.
Okay.
But the foot that's planted on the ground is just stepping forwards.
Okay.
Like this.
So it's like step forwards, kick back, step forwards, kick back.
And then so when you've kicked back, now this one goes down and the other one goes up. So you have to make sure you remember to change the foot.
Okay.
So 1 foot up.
Yeah, show me like three times.
Yeah, so from here, kick back, down, up, kick back,
okay,
down, up, kick back, down, up, kick back.
I'm basically looking at the Jumpman sign going backwards, and that's basically what I'm doing. Okay, so
show you the move how it starts.
Yeah, show me how it starts.
Yeah, so it's 1 foot up.
Yeah.
And the other foot down.
Yeah.
And then what you're doing is you're switching. So this front foot that's above the ground faces backwards, and the one that's on the ground just comes forward. Like this. Boom. See, now you're doing this.
Shit. Bro, that's literally just like the Fortnite dance, isn't it, with the L thing, like.
It's like this.
No.
Yeah,
and we don't do Fortnite dances over here on the Love and Life channel.
No, we keep it real.
Keep it real. We want to go to the clubs and not look stupid. You know, honestly, when I go to the club normally, bro, like I don't do much footwork in it. Yeah. It's literally just keeping it here at that hitch.
Same old two-step.
Yeah, man, just like how Will Smith says in Hitch.
Yeah.
This is where you live. Right here. You live right here. Okay?
And then maybe a little bit of hip movement. I don't know. Maybe a little bit of hip movement.
Do it again. So you start with 1 foot up, the other one back, on the ground, and then you're pushing this backwards. You're kicking that back.
Like this?
This one's going forward. Like that. Boom.
Alright, wait.
There you go. Yeah. Yep.
Like that.
Yep.
I don't know, I feel like with my weaker foot, obviously my ankle was twisted in the other day, so that's my excuse. That's my excuse, but let's go.
Start like that.
Yeah.
Then the front foot, which is above the ground, faces back, and it's still above the ground, like that. Boom. And this one just comes forward. There you go. And now you switch. And then boom. Switch. Boom. There you go.
See, I did the kick again.
Kick.
Nah, don't make it look stupid. Don't make it look stupid. But, like,
but you know that's
basically what we're doing.
Like that.
I know, but like it doesn't look like people from the ages of like 12 to 16 do that move. We're trying to level up over here on the Love and Life. Alright, cool. So show me again. I need a tutorial slowly.
Okay, so 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, 1 foot above the ground.
Like this,
Yep, and the other one's touching the ground.
Yeah.
And then you switch. So now this top, the one that's above the ground, you step back and it goes back. You're throwing it back. Yep. And then you're pushing this one back down, and the other one up, and then you do the same thing again. This is going back, bang. And this one's going down and up, and then switch. That's it. Down, up, switch. Down, up, switch. Down, up, switch.
So yeah, by the way guys, you see this t-shirt I'm wearing? It's on 10 for 10% off.
Oh,
Go
is it
cop that
really?
shit. No, for real.
Yeah.
I can't lie, bro. You wanna cop some cliche, bro?
Yeah, I might have to come through and get some, bro.
Because most people, bro, they're moving cliche. Might as well put on a t-shirt. You know what I mean? Be an ambassador, you know?
Yeah. So one thing that Michael Jackson said when he was speaking to an interviewer, the interviewer asked him, like, what do you think of when you're dancing?
Yeah.
You know, how do you do so well? What do you think of?
Yeah.
And Michael Jackson was like, I don't think, I just feel.
You just feel.
Thinking is the biggest mistake a dancer could make. You have to feel.
Just feel. Bro, that reminds me of the Soul movie. So I don't know if anyone's seen the Pixar movie Soul, but basically he gets into a flow state when he's doing something that he's passionate about.
Yeah.
And that's basically a representation of everyone, right? So for example, when I go top goal, because I've been doing it for so long, it's like the muscle memory is already built up.
Exactly.
So when I step up to the plate,
There's no thinking.
bang, bang, bang.
It's just straight
No
up.
thinking. But other people, they have to really drill in that muscle memory from the ground up, and it all starts from the base.
Yeah.
And like you were saying with the upper body moves that we might do in another later video.
Because you can't really, even if dancing, you can't
Yeah.
really be thinking of what you're doing. Because when
Yeah.
you're trying to think, you're kind of you're gonna be slow.
Yeah.
And you're not really gonna flow. You're not really gonna,
Yeah.
feel the music.
Yeah.
Because it's all about feeling and just moving your body to how you're feeling. You know?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So like
it's-
you were saying with the hips, like you gotta kind of
with the doggy.
move like that.
Doggy,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You know,
Like I
so-
watched that video, I can't lie, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, I banged that out.
It's got the most views, man.
Yo.
It's hitting up 20k, guys. It's hitting
Yo,
up
listen,
20K, so
he'll
make
put
sure
the
you-
link to it. He'll put the
Yeah,
link to
yeah.
it.
So
as well.
make sure you look it up.
If you're trying to doggy, trying to show your
trying to
missus,
doggy,
you
yo.
know what I mean? Trying to impress. That's what you gotta do, I guess.
Yeah.
But alright, cool. Let's try this, bro.
So we'll try
Break
with
it
the
down
chat.
with the beat.
You're a jerk.
You're a
You're a jerk.
Alright, cool. Let's
You're
try.
a jerk.
Do it with me, yeah?
You're a
Yeah,
jerk.
going up.
You're
Then
a
switch.
jerk.
Up.
You're a
There you
jerk.
go. Boom.
You're a jerk.
Yeah.
You're a jerk.
Yeah.
You're a
Yeah.
jerk.
Oh, there's a kick.
There's a kick, but that was best.
Waist off, beating in the waist, I'm beating.
That's it.
Nothing I got
Yeah.
on my way, I'm beating.
Yeah.
She like, where you going? I ain't got my
that's
shoes
a
in first. I
kick,
said,
bro.
is there any concern?
Buffalo again.
You're a jerk.
So I walked out the door, called Bruce. And we was jumping to the right, jumping to the left. Poppy better know we
Oh.
should still have dressed.
Okay, now keep going. Do a freestyle move at the end. And do a kick. There you go. Oh, yo. Yo, we made a new move right here.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
It's kind of invented a new music.
Yeah, there you go.
You can sort of mix the two together.
So listen, the next one is called the Miz, isn't it?
Jerk.
It is.
Yeah, that's the Miz.
Show how it's done.
Jerk.
Show how it's done, okay.
Jerk. 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 Jerk.
Everything quiet in the basement hall, and I stay geeked.
You know what it is, bro? It's like doing it continuously is weird, innit? Especially because I guess like we all have a weaker foot in it.
Yeah.
For me, it's my left, and when I'm trying to continuously kick that leg back,
Yeah.
right? So I'm trying to kick that leg back and put this up
Yeah.
every single time, right? Trying to kick that leg back.
Yeah, it seems like the weaker foot is kind of just,
Yeah.
it gets to a point where the weaker foot just forgets it and it's just like goes
Yeah.
like this.
So the stronger foot, I can do it every single time.
Yeah, yeah.
The weaker one is always holding me back in it. So I guess it's like
Matter
a
of just-
conscious effort.
Matter of just keep repeating that step and repeat
Yeah.
it until you just get it.
So I guess like Levan over here, he's probably done it 50 times now, innit?
Yeah, I mean, I used to be like,
Yeah,
when I
exactly.
first started to do the dance, I couldn't do it myself. I was kind of
Yeah.
just
I mean that makes me feel a little bit better. I can't lie, but yeah.
I'm a
It's the weight being back. You know what I mean? Like for you, like when you do it, show me again, like 5 steps. You know what I mean? You see how when you kick forward, you're not going like this. You're keeping lean back a little bit.
You can also go like that as well.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. But I guess like as you said with the hips in it, it's like coming from the center, innit?
Yeah,
So that's like a starting point.
The big mouth to the boy here flirt. Man, you call me a fighter with your little jerk on. Then you say you brought it up, but the jerk is mine. You
So when you go like that, so
Why
when
you
one is up,
tripping? I
and
ain't
one is
even
down.
do
You're a
nothing.
jerk.
I'm a jerk. You ain't never
Now
lied,
this
but
foot
hey,
goes
do me a
down,
favor,
the other
call
one
me
comes
jerk
up,
on
and
the
then you switch
tongue.
it.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
That's it.
You're
There
a
you go.
jerk.
Yeah.
You're a jerk.
Yeah.
You're a jerk.
Yeah.
You're a jerk.
Yeah.
You're a jerk.
Yeah.
So like I would say I'm 75% of the way there. But this is how you want to do it. Go. Go.
Hey, yo, bro. Hey, man, what you want me to do now?
Okay, yeah, 360.
I got it.
Love that, man.
Now he's got the moves. He's gonna bust it in the clubs, you know.
Yo, I'm going to Northampton next week, innit? To film another podcast episode. I might bust it over there, you know?
Yeah, show
Not the
me
bust it
how-
challenge, but I might bust that move, innit? Let's not get twisted, innit? But yo, listen, bro. Love for that, innit? Like, bro, when I knew you before, you weren't like this outspoken with your whole dance stuff, innit? Because you've always been dancing since a youth, innit? So now I guess he's just trying to show the world, make them a little bit more skilled, and like enjoy it while
whatever
doing
it
it,
is-
innit? That's why it's love in life.
Whatever it is that you've got in yourself, man, just bring it out.
Yeah,
Whatever you got in there, just bring it out.
Yeah,
Show
man.
people what you're made of.
exactly. Whether it's venom or whether it's grace,
Exactly.
both of those things.
Both.
You know what I mean? So yeah, bro. Half an hour.
Half. Peace and love.
Yo,
Thanks for
listen, you
watching,
see
guys.
that red button? You gotta click it. It's right
Click
here.
it, click it.
It's right there.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And check out the Kilamanjaro podcast with Levan.
Mm-hmm.
Now he did a whole like an hour and a half. So if you want to learn more about him, check that out.
Yeah.
All right.
Peace and
Peace.
love.